Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All of you and your loved ones are safe. It's a great luxury for all of us to have gathered here again after such traumatic 2 months. It's indeed a blessing and luxury that we are all here. Toastmasters International continues to train and educate its members. Communication, leadership, training and management skills, and building the self-confidence through enhancing public speaking skills. It's the largest and the most successful organization of its type in the world. Esteemed Chief Guest, ex-Area Director, President, my fellow Toastmasters and guests, I welcome you all for yet another grander event, the installation ceremony of the new ex-con of KLS IMER Toastmasters Club, Belgavi. KLS IMER Toastmasters Club, Belgavi has carved its niche through the stalwarts, its founder members, Dr. Kamalakar Achrekar sir and Dr. Prakash Mehta. They stand as timeless pillars of our club. With the relentless work of ex-president Toastmaster Sandhya, the club has made its paradigm shift in last 1 year. We stand out today proud as Golden Gavel Club, which happens to be the highest award received for any club. I take this pleasure to invite our esteemed guest today. First of all, I would like to welcome on behalf of KLS IMER Toastmaster Club Belgavi, Mr. Vijesh Saigal, who happens to be President of TiE Hubli, which is one of the prestigious organizations in North Karnataka. I welcome you. Gratitude, I call Dr. Kamalakar Achrekar sir to present him. Once again, welcome. I would also welcome our ex-area director, Toastmaster Vipul, and to present him token of gratitude, I call upon Dr. Prakash Mehta. Let's begin with our agenda. I request all the dignitaries, area director, ex-area director, current area director, president, chief guest, Dr. Achrekar and Dr. Mugli to come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony. This is also request our VP, Master Nagraj. Correct. Toastmasters India is current president. So everybody must be wondering what is this installation ceremony. Not everybody, but at least guests. Whereas all the Toastmasters are aware of installation ceremony and the pride that it brings along to the club each term. I would now like to request our current area director, Toastmaster Vipul, to take over for the installation ceremony. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Chetna. A very warm good afternoon to all of you, Toastmasters, guests, and we have some prospects also here. I would just like to acknowledge the presence of our Chief Guest, Vijay Segun, my past area director, Kamalakar Rashikar, from whom I took the hand, sitting president in the Toastmasters Sandhya, IPP Prakash, and all the esteemed Toastmasters. So today is a proud day because we go ahead passing the mantle of the club into another set of fresh, hot-blooded office bearers. So without waiting, let's go ahead. So, as area director, I'm honored and privileged and pleased to be the installation officer for the club officers of KLS INEA Toastmasters Club for the term July to December 2021. You see, we all join Toastmasters to grow as better communicators and leaders, and the leadership track at Toastmasters provides us ample opportunities to grow as leaders. What I've liked at Toastmasters is the reinforcement it provides us that nothing is permanent. None of us here are permanent kings or queens at Toastmasters. We all have to change. Change is the only constant in any organization, and at Toastmasters, we truly believe in that, and that is why every 6 months we pass on the baton to a fresh set of office bearers so that we can take this movement ahead. So before I start the installation ceremony, I request the current set of office bearers being headed by Toastmasters Sandhya to please come up here on the podium for one last time. I'm told that includes Nikhil, Shivanand, Ravi, Ankita, Bodhu, Nagraj, and Toastmasters Sandhya. All right. 3 are not there. 3 are not there. But you are such an efficient team that it doesn't make any difference. Even if 3 or 4 are there, you can still run it. Dear Toastmasters Sandhya and your set of office bearers, we've had a successful term and you all should be extremely proud for serving magnificently in your respective offices. On behalf of KLS INEA Toastmasters Club, District 92 and Toastmasters International, I would like to say a big thank you for all your efforts and hard work. I hereby discharge you from all further duties and responsibilities as officers of KLS INEA Toastmasters Club. Please give the outgoing officers a round of applause for the wonderful service that they have done. I request Toastmasters Sandhya to stay and rest of the officers to please take your seats now. Toastmasters Sandhya, as the immediate past president of the club, you are expected to provide guidance and serve as a resource to club officers and members. You chair the nomination committee, you assist in the preparation of club success plan, you promote the club's effort to become a distinguished club. You did make your club distinguished this term. President distinguished, yes. So Toastmasters Sandhya, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Sure.
I like that, yes. Thank you so much. You may please now take your seat. I now request the current set of office bearers to please come up here on the podium. As I call your name, please come up and stand in the following order. So, we'll have all the current set of office bearers here, starting from Sergeant at Arms Nikhil, Santosh, Nidhi, Ankita, Chitra, Nagraj, and Geeta. Geeta, Nagraj, Chitra, Ankita, Nidhi, Santosh, and Nikhil. Sergeant of Arms. Okay, so I'm here to install the officers of KLS INEA Toastmasters Club and to prepare them for all the challenges that lie ahead. Now, each officer here standing today carries an obligation to attend club EXCOM meetings, attend the TLN, which are incoming area director would let you know very soon. And of course, prepare a successor for your role in the next term of office bearers. I request each officer to hold the gavel as a symbol of leadership as I briefly describe the challenges she or he must meet and the responsibilities he or she must fulfill. So we will start with Toastmaster Santosh. May I request you to please hold this gavel. Toastmaster Santosh Papte, as treasurer, you are expected to keep the financial records and prepare the club budget. You announce when it's time for members to pay dues. You explain the due structure to member, you collect the dues and you work with the secretary to ensure that the club submits dues on time to Toastmasters International World Headquarters. Toastmaster Santosh Papte, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Please pass the gavel to Toastmaster Nidhi Kulkarni. Toastmaster Nidhi Kulkarni is pursuing her MBA from KLS IMER. She is interested in cooking, writing codes and listening to music. And her aim is to become a teacher as she believes teaching is the creator of all professions. Toastmaster Nidhi Kulkarni, as secretary, you maintain an accurate membership roster. You work with the treasurer to ensure that new member application and dues get to TI World Headquarters as soon as possible. You work with the treasurer to submit your club dues to Toastmasters International, and of course, you provide the club with minutes of each meeting. Toastmaster Nidhi Kulkarni, will you perform your duties to the best of your ability? Please pass the gavel to Toastmaster Ankita Arulkar. Ankita here is currently pursuing her MBA in marketing final year and is the current VPPR of the club. Her hobbies include yoga, meditation and reading books. Toastmaster Ankita Arulkar, as VPPR, you are expected to attract visitors to the club through free publicity. You use a variety of means to promote the club and its members. You regularly recognize member achievements with methods such as announcements, newsletter, emails, and articles that you submit for the district bulletin. Toastmaster Ankita Arulkar, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Please pass the gavel to Toastmaster Chitra. Toastmaster Chitra here is an engineer by education and a teacher by passion. She loves music, reading, writing, and has an affinity towards food and fitness. She is a person with a positive approach towards life and interested in learning new things. She has completed her first pathway already in motivational strategies and is associated with Toastmasters since Feb 2020. Toastmaster Chitra Vivesh, as VP of Membership, you are expected to lead the club's membership building efforts. You help members with any requirement during their journey, listen to their grievances, and provide emotional support if need be. You promptly give new member application and dues to secretary and treasurer, and you personally greet guests and provide them with the guest packets, including a membership application form. Toastmaster Chitra Videsh, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir, I will.
Please pass on the gavel to Toastmaster Nagraj. Toastmaster Nagraj here is a seasoned Toastmaster and is currently serving as the VP of this club. He's a Triple Crown Award winner. He's a mentor to many Toastmasters in various clubs and is also a social worker who's always keen to support anyone and anything. He's also an entrepreneur and owns Pan Foods. Toastmaster Nagraj Patel, as VP Education, you are expected to gain commitments from members to set educational goals to themselves. You assure that club members are aware of the schedule of meeting goals. You plan meetings that will assist members in meeting their individual goals. As the second highest ranking officer, you preside over the meeting when the club president is absent. Toastmaster Nagraj Patel, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir.
Please pass the gavel to Toastmaster Geeta. Toastmaster Geeta here, she's a writer by passion and medical editor by profession. She's a trainer in medical transcription and a certified psychologist. She's a trained classical dancer and a writer, currently authoring on Life Space. She strongly believes not to be pushed around by the fears in mind, but lead by the dreams in heart. Toastmaster Geeta Kadi, as president of KLS INEA Toastmasters Club, you are the chief executive officer. Thus, you preside at all club meetings and all meetings of the club ExCom. It is your challenge to see that this club adds new members and meets the needs of its current members to achieve their communication and leadership goals. You establish a club climate that is supportive, stimulating and rewarding to its members, and you realize that your commitment is always towards fellow club members, officer team, area director, division director, and District 92 officers and officers of Toastmaster International World Headquarters. Toastmaster Geeta, you hold the gavel as a symbol of power and authority that your club has given you during this term of office. I am confident that you will use it wisely and with great strength. You are a member of your team as well as a leader. You already know a team is more than a collection of people. Work with your team members to create a healthy, dynamic club, a club of which everyone will be proud. Toastmaster Geeta, as member of KLS IMEA Toastmaster Club as well as its leader, will you work with your ExCom team and club members to make this club the best?
Yes, I'm sure.
Dear members of KLS IMEA Toastmasters Club, please rise. I request the members of the club to please stand up now. Please rise from your place. The members of the club. Dear members, your officer team has just pledged to serve this club to the best of its ability. I can also see a prospect standing, sir, so I'm sure she's a member today before we end the meeting. You have just pledged to serve this club to the best of to their ability and to be the best Toastmasters club possible and to meet the needs of its members. Your club will need the participation from each member. Do you as members pledge to work together with your officer team?
Yes.
Please take your seats now. By the authority vested in me as the installation officer and area director, it is my sincere pleasure to declare these Toastmaster officers installed in their respective club offices. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to the new team from December to December. I request the club officers to please take their seats now, and I also welcome our incoming President Toastmaster Geeta Reddy to please address us. Toastmaster Geeta.
Current President, Toastmaster Sandhya, happens to be the first ever woman president of Toastmaster KLS IMEA Club. And trust me, she has left a benchmark which no others can reach, or it would be very difficult for us to reach that benchmark. You will be truly missed. At the same time, it's our responsibility to check what a new person can commit and what colors they can add to responsibility. And we are here all excited to have yet another woman president, Toastmaster Geeta, and I'm sure she will carry it with more vibrance. Let us hear from her the plan she has for our club. I would like to now invite Toastmaster Geeta, incoming president of this club, to address us with all our plans.
Probably for the first time, I'm having short of words. I don't know what to talk, whom to address. And this sounds so uncanny and unrealistic for a Toastmaster to run shorter words, because this usually doesn't happen at Toastmasters platform. Last night, Dr. Prakash Murli told me, Geeta, congratulations, but remember, along with the crown comes many thorns. The responsibilities, hurdles, and the problems are definitely the stepping stones for your success. And I'm already feeling it, sir. Well, lovely good afternoon to my fellow Toastmasters. esteemed guest Rajesh Saini, honorable area directors incoming and outgoing, and my dearest friends. I'm honored and humbled, and I sincerely accept this important role as President of KLS IMER Toastmasters Club and Club. And along with my role of President and me taking up this role as President, I'm also happy and proud to have my army besides me, my ExCom, wherein I have Toastmaster Nagaraj, Toastmaster Santosh, Toastmaster Chitra, Toastmaster Nidhi, and Toastmaster Anil. They definitely are my support and my strongest pillars, without whom probably my journey is just impossible. Thank you so much. And my team, my army, always believed that dreams work only when the team works. And we dreamt it and we made it. Let me tell you how we did it. Yes, my ExCom, ladies and gentlemen, we planned this physical installation with actually no time in our hands. And we started planning things, organizing, contacting, right from designing the flyers, which changed multiple times for the reasons known to all. Then we also had to arrange a menu, fix a venue, reach out for dignitaries, call for the area directors to find out if they are free, and also go arrange for this lovely saplings in this partial lockdown scenario. All this work was definitely not easy for us. But as I said, where there's a will, there's a way. And we all dreamt. We will do it, and this ceremony will be one of the memorable events in our KLS. So today we are, with the help of my ExCom team, we made this installation happen. So thank you so very much. Well, having said this, the dedication that my ExCom has showed has proved that they are my strength, and with them along my side, I feel sky is the limit for us. And I confidently can make this statement because I'm standing in the platform of Toastmasters. And here at Toastmasters, words have magical powers. Just like Red Bull gives us magical wings, Toastmaster adds magic to our words, and it also adds confidence and promise to our speech. And who says Toastmasters is a non-profit organization? Probably this is the most profitable organization that I have come across in my life. Where along with adding words to my dictionary, I have added a bunch of new friends to my life and excellent and wonderful mentors like Toastmaster Sandhya, Toastmaster Dr. Prakash, Toastmaster Dr. Achrekar. So definitely don't call it a non-profit organization. This organization is full of profits. Well, our current IPP, incoming AD, and my phenomenal mentor, Toastmaster Sandhya, has always taught me to promise yourself to be confident, and half of your battle is won. She had and she has more confidence in me than I have in myself. She kept on motivating me and telling me that nothing is impossible if you really wish you want to achieve it. Whatever I am today in Toastmasters and the position I am holding, it's just because of your teaching and your motivation. Thank you so very much. I'll always be indebted to you. I also thank all my club members for showering their love and supporting me. I look forward for the same in future too. As a president, I try my best to keep the standards of my club high always. Well, my visions and goals for my club in my tenure would be to remain President's distinguished club for many years to come. To increase club membership with new and engaged members. To encourage members to attend the meetings regularly, and also to encourage the mentors to do their mentoring diligently. To provide workshop tips at every meetings for pathways, to celebrate educational accomplishments at all the meetings, to provide open avenue for members' suggestions and inputs. Yes, I stress this point because I feel member suggestions and inputs are very important for any club to grow. When I say members' suggestions, it's not only ExCom members, it's every club member. Every member has a right to put his or her suggestion. And most importantly, I would believe in having fun in my club. Along with learning, I believe in having fun. Probably that is one thing which is going to take us miles. And to achieve all this, I once again seek cooperation from each and every one of you to help me grow this club. Well, with this I request my ExCom to please share the stage with me for a minute. Please. We, the new officers, are like 7 colors in a rainbow, and we promise to adhere, to act within Toastmasters' core values of integrity, respect, service, and excellence during the conduct of all Toastmasters activities. Thank you so much. I now hand over the podium to our MOC, Toastmaster.
It was indeed something to look forward for all of us because she said there would be fun. Last year we definitely had performance pressure because we were growing. Toastmaster Sandhya has set it up so beautifully that we are confident of maintaining the consistency, and now Toastmaster Geeta is here to give us some fun, to relax and have fun. That's a great promise. Thank you Toastmaster Geeta for such a wonderful message and inspiring us all to be continuing to support you further. Let's move ahead. If you just reflect on yourself, some of the Toastmasters, for them, Toastmasters would be just another thing. For some, Toastmaster is everything. But here is a person who has so many other things, yet works for Toastmaster like it's the only thing he does. And he ensures everything is intact. He never makes noise that he has done it. But trust me, if something is perfect, it's him. Last year, he entered our club as a guest from Saudi. It was just a handsome, attractive face. We didn't know anything much about him. But today he stands as a Vice President, Education. And trust me, this lockdown, when the meetings went online, we didn't realize it was paying to be online, all because of his efforts. He arranged colorful debates, so many other educational activities. And there is one thing about getting the work done in such non-profit organizations like this. You cannot really push people because it gets into friction. And this person manages it so well that you never feel like saying no to him. He offers roles so neatly, convinces everybody. Hats off to his patience. So with this brief introduction of our dynamic VP, let's get ahead to hear from him his own words. Over to you, Toastmaster Nagraj, Vice President, Education.
Thank you so much, Chetna Madam. That is not a brief introduction, it's a very huge introduction. Thank you so much. First of all, let me welcome our chief guest, esteemed chief guest, Mr. Saigal, our past president, current president, past AD, present AD, and what else to be honored that we have 2 area directors, 2 presidents, past president, and three area directors as well. And being a Vice President Education for such esteemed club, it's really honor. And I feel really excited to be in Toastmaster Geeta's team now. I want to ask all of you one question now. How many awards are there in District 92 website? Have anyone went through that? Yeah, of course, you all are not by Christian education, so I have to do that. There are 4 categories. Out of 4, there are 20 different awards are there. How many are we getting for KLS IMER? Only few, right? You can count on fingers like 2, 3 Triple Crown, Fast 5, Childers, some. Why not maximum of them? This year, I want to promise myself, and I want all of yours commitment towards this Toastmasters journey to learn and to grow and to achieve as many as possible awards from District 92. They should feel that there is a club in extreme north of Karnataka, some club who is doing really great, and there are all awards they are taking away. Why not champion speaker from our club? We have so many experienced and seasoned Toastmasters, like Sandhya Madam is there, Acharikar Sir, Prakash Sir is there, to inspire us, to motivate us. Why not our members take this privilege and become champion speakers in next coronation? Why not? Can we not do that? We can, right? We will. I will tell quickly one small story. There was a teacher who had a Gurukul and he had 5 students. After 5 years of rigorous training to them, he finished the training and at the end, he gave one simple task to all the 5 mentees. He gave 5 pots to each one of them. He said, for 1 month I am going out of the city. I will be back after 1 month. Every day you have to put 1 chit in the pot, respective pot, every day. So 30 chits has to be in each pot. When the teacher came back, he opened first pot. There was nothing. He asked, what happened? Why didn't you put anything? He said, sir, I really respect you, but and he said to them that write your wish on each chit. He says, I could have written, but do you really think, are you going to give me that? I didn't think that I will get that one. So I didn't put any chit. He went to second one. He said, sir, every night I wanted to put, then I thought I will ask the first one, should I put the chit? Then he said, it is not going to happen. Simply writing it on a paper and putting it in a pot, it's not going to become reality. So I didn't put it. Then the third one said, sir, I really wanted to put, but every day evening I used to forget. So he didn't put it. The fourth one said the same thing. He said, I was lazy to put the chits, so I didn't do that. And the fifth one, when he opened, there was 30 chits out there. When he saw, he opened one, but nothing was written there. Empty chits were there. He opened another one. Few was written, few was empty. Then he asked, you did great job. I asked you to do something, you did. You put it, but why there are many chits are blank? He says, sir, when you gave this task, I did not expect anything out of this. With respect to the mentor, I just followed the instructions and I kept on putting the chits. Sometimes I felt I should put, sometimes I felt, okay, anyhow I have to put, even if it is getting true, I will be benefited. If it is not, that's okay. In that way, he used to put even blank chits. The mentor said, you are the best mentee I've seen. What we have to learn out of this story is, Toastmastering is not, that's why they call it non-profit. You may not see profit. When I go to office, when I go to my workplace, when I run my business, I'm getting money. I'm getting money from that. But when I attend Toastmasters meeting, some members, they feel that. They discuss personally, one-on-one, not in that generally. They discuss, I am going to get with this. Let it be, I will follow my routine, I'll go to my office, I'll go to shopping with my family and all. But they don't really put their efforts to be in Toastmasters because they don't realize what benefit they are getting out of this. You can have real benefit from Toastmasters in your personal and professional life. If you go through the, am I going too much being the Vice President Education? Because when you go through the documents what have been there in TMI,
you'll be really surprised if you read them, all of them. You can use them in your professional life. So I would like to request all our members, go through that. If you need anything, I'll be there, ever ready. Having said that, thank you so much for giving me your time, and I'll promise that I will be the best, whatever possibility I can help in any ways to all the members. Thank you so much. Over to you, Chief Member.
Thank you, Postmaster Nagaraj, for inspiring us and also sharing the resources to upgrade ourselves and make the most out of Postmasters Club. It's time now to hear from our immediate past president. Tomorrow is Postmaster Sandhya. I told that previously, I just told Vicky, we will miss her. We will miss her as president, but we're definitely happy seeing her stepping up as area director from tomorrow. What this lady has done is beyond comprehension. And today we are standing proud, competing with all other clubs. It's only because of the foundation she has laid. Foundation was definitely laid by Dr. Machrekar and Dr. Prakash, but she has raised the pillars too much. And it's our duty to now build it with joy, like our next president was promised. So let's hear from our president, Toastmaster Sandhya.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, like Toastmasters.
Good
Madam. I know refreshment is still would not be happening, but we can, isn't it? Because we are Toastmasters. Okay? I am very happy to see one prospect person nodding the head. Great. So once again, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Chetna, first of all, for inviting me as IPP. Who will be that IPP post will be coming from tomorrow onwards. And I can say that, after installation also it's fine, no issues. And I'll be holding two posts, that will be IPP as well as AD. AD is for area, but for my club, it will be IPP. Alright. So when we are talking about KLS, when I'm in KLS, I will be a member of KLS Big, right? And whenever I am coming as an AD, I will be informing you all, don't worry anymore. Okay? So good evening once again. I would like to say one quote. I would like to begin my speech with a quote. Before you are a leader, it's all about growing yourself.
Indeed, it is beyond the horizon of my expectation to see my club making such a giant strides, achieving so many milestones within such a short period of less than 3 years, ever since its inception from 1st November 2008. And what can there be a better opportunity for me to express my sincere gratitude and thanks to all those who have nurtured, navigated with a nimble mindset. You all know